Yes, good morning students. In this video, I am going to discuss practical concept related to ledger. How ledger accounts are prepared. So, for example, we have only two journal entries. The very first is opening entry and the second one is a compound entry. So that you can easily understand how these entries will be posted. So, opening entry is, for example, we started a business with cash account debit 6,000, bank account debit 12,000, Rahul debit 2,000. That means capital of the business is 12 plus 6 plus 2, that is 20,000. And after that, we just cash is received from Rahul because Rahul is our debtor. So cash account debit 1800, discount allowed 200, and to Rahul 2000. So how these two entries will be posted in ledger account? First we have to prepare all the accounts. The very first is cash account, so we have to prepare cash account. Format is date, particular journal folio amount, date, particular journal folio amount. Second, bank account, again the format will be same. Third, Rahul, account is not mentioned with name, but if you want to mention, then write apostrophe s here, Rahul's account. Capital account is there, and then cash already prepared, discount allowed account is there, Rahul is already there. So how these entries will be posted? All of us, what about opening entry? Opening entry is passed with the help of balances. Cash account is in debit side, so it's in debit side. We will start from to balance brought down. Cash is 6,000. One more thing I just want to clear. Important rule. In ledger, we just post with the other side. That means if you are posting debit side, then we will write the name of credit side. But amount of same side. That means if we are posting the amount of cash here, so we will write Rahul, but amount will be written in front of cash. So rule is posting with the other side and amount of same side. One more thing that is related to balancing. After making account, I will discuss how to balance the account. So all of us, cash account is there, then two balance brought down with 6,000. Then bank account is also with two balance brought down 12,000. Rahul is with two balance brought down 2,000. And when multiple debit and multiple credits are there, then we will post the entry with balance. Capital account will be posted by balance brought down 20,000. Here it is. Next, how we will post the compound entries? Cash account is debit, so we will write the name to Rahul in cash account. To Rahul in cash account, but the amount should be written in front of cash, that is 1800. Next, in discount allowed account, we will again write to Rahul, but the amount will be written in front of discount, that is 200 only. So how these entries will be posted in Rahul? In to Rahul we will write by cash and by discount account. In Rahul we will write by cash and by discount allowed account. Cash is with 1800 and discount allowed is with 200. So in this way we just post the entries into ledger. After then we have to make the balance of these accounts. So what are the important rules regarding balancing? Very first thing is opening stock, purchase, sale, purchase return and sales return. These are not balances. Their balances are transferred into trading account at the end of the year. Later on we will discuss a chapter trading and profit and loss account. All expenses and income will be transferred into profit and loss account at the end of the year. And remaining all will be closed with balance carried out. So how we will close? Total of cash account is 6,000 plus 1800. That means 7,800 is there. So it will be closed with by balance carried down 7,800 at the end of the month. And with next month, beginning of next month, we will just brought down this balance 7,800. That means next month started with this balance. Similarly, in bank account, balance is 12,000. So there is no posting. That means by balance carried down is 12,000. This balance is again brought down. In Rahul, debit side with 2,000, credit side is also with 2,000. So no balance is there. Capital account 20,000 is here. So it will be post with 2 balance carried down. Again we will close it. And then we will forward the balance with by balance brought down 20,000. And at last we have discount allowed account. So at last we have discount allowed account. To Rahul is there. We will not balance it because it will be closed. It's a loss for the business. It's an expense for the business. So balance of this account will be transferred into profit and loss account. But at the end of the year. Okay. So it will not be balanced. Thank you.